Hey guys, Technical with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a balance if you have a balance on your Apple account. Now, if you have a balance, there's certain things you can do on your Apple account. For example, change the country or region. You also can deactivate or delete your Apple account, and that's going to be quite frustrating. Now, if you have a significant balance, there's a couple things you can do possibly to either get that balance back or spend it as well. So let's talk about that. So the first thing is, if you're having a balance here, you can pretty much check by going into your Apple Store, App Store on your iPhone or in your device if you have MacBook, your iTunes as well, and go click on your Apple ID account and your balance should show right here in this page here. Now, if you do have a balance, the first thing you can do is simply go into any browser here. I'm just going to Safari, but on any internet browser, you just type in Apple balance. So once you search up Apple balance, it will take you to this link where it's under support.apple.com, and this link where you can check your balance just tells you how to check the balance on different devices. But at the very end here, it tells you how to get that balance back if you can't use it. So as you can see here, it says if you can't redeem or return Apple gift card, App Store or iTunes gift card or unused balance for cash, but if your jurisdiction allows you for a refund, you can also contact them for requesting a refund. And this is a way to contact them. So you can click on to contact Apple support, which is basically going to take you to the Apple support page here. And then this one, I have the app, but if you don't want the app or don't have the app, you can also go to support.apple.com, and once you go to support.apple.com, you'll see there's a bunch of options for support here. You can go to billing and support subscriptions here, as you can see here for subscriptions, and you can request, as you can see, like I said, request a refund if it's possible. So you want to click on request the refund here, and it's going to probably ask you to enter your Apple ID and password to continue. Here I'm using Face ID to verify my Apple ID password, and I log in here, and then what you can do is click I like to request a refund, and then you can pretty much select one of these options. It doesn't really matter, you can probably select other as well or one of these, and just simply explain that you're looking for a refund to customer service on Apple, and hopefully they can refund you or at least kind of remove that balance of your account, so you can do, like I said, change your region, or if you're looking to change the country, or even simply to deactivate or delete your Apple account. This is the way to go about it. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.